conditioning thing into whatever the heck this is. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be using the Syntonics Repair Therapy Intensive Conditioner on my hair. Great! So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I used the Shea Moisture shampoo from my previous wash day video, and as you can see I'm going straight in with the Syntonics Intensive Repair, which reeks of peppermint and it looks just like toothpaste. I kid you not. I'm gonna try it but tomorrow, so I'm just gonna take out this on my head and then I'm gonna oil my head. Smell like toothpaste and it look like toothpaste, but we move. Whoops. Okay. And no, I wasn't doing a dance. Like, the peppermint scent was really strong. Oh my, bruh, the thing empty.
Come on, Jen, let's go. Okay. Wow.
I don't think I ever showed this at the beginning of the month, but
Bros before hoes. Why?
what about? There's only
Bros
one
are always
treatment in
there for you.
there.
They've got your back after your hoe rips your heart out for no good reason.
Okay, hold on.
And you were nothing but great to your hoe. And you told her that she...
This was $30. This was 30 Eastern Caribbean dollars. I should have probably used a little less. So at this point I am putting on a plastic cap, well rather a plastic bag, and then I'm gonna heat treat my hair with the treatment. I'm gonna put on a heat cap. This is what it is. I'm gonna put on a heat cap. 10, oh my god. Can I talk? "15 minutes of a heat cap and about 3 hours of doing things around the house. I finally took it down, and this is how it's looking in comparison to how it looked the night before." I do have avocado bottle, but this, yeah, it's not. Now there's definitely a proper way to do this, like you section all your hair, do all that jazz, you clear it out, and that's not, my head is chat. But yeah. I've never used a really good catcher, but I'm so. At this point, I'm evenly distributing my Apogee leave-in conditioner, and then I'll start the section of my hair. and Shinglet. I also did use the Cream of Nature coconut curling cream after I separated my hair because it was still looking a bit too dry. So this is how my hair is looking. I am still in need of a professional trim and I do hope to get that done next week.
I really love them much. God's spirit.
There's something about he's always opened my business. He's a Syntonics or just for when they have a party.
I say it and wait when it's dry.
No.